Are you ready for my hits and misses for July?
This is going to be a brutally honest review, and I have my trash can ready. Both makeup and skincare products have been tested, and continue watching to the end as you will get some juicy trash can scenes and some exciting news about the next videos. So, what will hit the trash can and what will live on in my beautiful home? What's coming to this channel over the next few weeks? Follow and you will know. Hi friends, I'm Dr. Linda Brand, medical doctor with years of experience with skin concerns and treatments of these. These first products I'm presenting can relax for now and they can live on. Number 1, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Just melts into my skin and I don't even feel it. This formula instantly melts into the skin, blurs pores and smooths textures. Armani Beauty claims the following. After 14 days of use, skin will look plump and feels hydrated. Texture is visibly improved. Overall, will your skin be brighter and more luminous in the complexion. Main skincare ingredients in this one is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant that's present in all natural lipids. Essentially, glycerin is a master at hydration and works best when combined with other replenishing and emollient ingredients. It also has a few other humectants and emollients as they work best when combined. They are said to be the backbones of cosmetic formulations. Number 2, Natasha Denona Hygiene Bronze Primer Serum. This bronzer glides so easily on with a makeup brush and gives a perfect result. Lasts all day. It almost made it to my holy grails for this month, so this is a keep. Number 3, e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I tried it out in a previous video and it's so fine and beautiful, no creasing on my mature skin. So it's a keep. Number 4 is the Tear Glide and Hide Blurring Concealer. It's a dual action concealer that glides, hides and blurs. With a creamy liquid tint to brighten and a silky balm to blur. This light buildable concealer smooths, sculpts and hydrates for up to 72 hours according to Tear. Available in 20 shades and no creasing or transfer. When I tested it out, I used the stick side on the under eyes and it just melted into my skin. I have never seen anything like that. The liquid side is probably better under the eyes for more coverage and brightening. Number 5, the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Stick. This is a pH activated blush stick, so I guess some of you will run as fast as you can. But I really like it. It's so soft, creamy and long lasting. It's in my opinion easiest to apply with a brush and not directly on your face. It's easier to keep control and build it up this way. Number 6, Paula's Choice Pro Retinaldehyde Dual Retinoid Treatment. Should this actually have been under my holy grails this month? Maybe. This is my absolute favorite retinoid treatment, apart from prescription tretianin. But now, are you ready for my brutally honest trash can misses? I have my trash can ready right here. The first one is one I got recommended, and it's the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. It smudges after just a couple of hours on me. So this is how it's marketed on their website. It's a coal black volumizing mascara that delivers high drama and pairs perfectly with a smoky eye look. The long-lasting formula resists flaking, smudging, sweat and humidity. I'm sorry, Bobbi Brown. Not working for me. Trash can. I know this is a controversial one. It has a 4.8 stars review on their website, but here we go. It's the ColourPop Lip Stain. For my mature skin, it quickly bleeds into my fine lines. And this is actually what ColourPop writes about it. Gloss it, stain it, pop it. This hydrating water-based lip stain goes on glossy and leaves behind a long-lasting stain without drying out your pout. It features a refreshing gel cream texture that feels weightless and ultra comfy throughout the day for an easy pop of color. It's infused with replenishing squalane for maximum hydration and antioxidant-rich guava plus lychee to nourish lips. I'm sorry, Colourpop, I like and love some of your products, but this one is not for my mature skin. So again, it's a trash can. I also have another controversial one from Colourpop. I'm sorry, Colourpop. This one also with a 4.8 stars review on their website. It's a Colourpop Lippy Pencil. This one. This one, I'm sorry, it disappears from my lips after just a short time, maybe just an hour. And this is what Colourpop has to say about the product. Define or overline your lips with our long-wearing, creamy, plus sharpenable lippy pencil for the perfect pout. It creates the cleanest lines and prevents feathering while being super pigmented to deliver the boldest, high-impact color. Pair with our fan fave lippy sticks to find your perfect lip combo or just wear on its own for quick, flawless lips. Long-lasting. I'm sorry, this is not long-lasting, at least not on my lips. What is your experience with this one? Have you tried it? Leave your comment below. It's a trash can. The next one was one that I was really looking forward to testing. It was actually the first product I tested from this company. And it's the Lys LYS No Limits Cream Bronzer and Contour Stick in the shade Courage. My problem with this one is that I'm not able to blend it out on top of my makeup. Could be my technique, of course, but it shouldn't be that complicated. So for that reason, trash can for me. After feeding the trash can, let me introduce you to my holy grails. Yes, my holy grails for July. Yay, my holy grails. And here's the first one. So this is the first one, the Medicube HR Booster Pro. I have it in this video right here. You can watch my conclusion. This Korean beauty device is now part of my daily skincare routine. It helps the skin to absorb more of the active ingredients that I'm feeding it. Number 2 on my holy grail list is this Swede Pro Eyelash Serum. I've been trying it out for a couple of months now and it's working so well. As you may know, I removed my lash extensions a couple of months ago and the eyelash serum from Swede Beauty is working wonders on my lashes at least. I had extremely short lashes, especially on my right eyelid, and now you can actually see them and they are getting longer every day. And my last holy grail, and it has actually been my holy grail for quite some time. It's the, no surprise, but it's the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This has been my holy grail for quite a few months now. It's so soft and easy to apply, and it lasts for a long time. It's actually the one I'm having on today. I have received my first gifts from some really interesting companies, both makeup and skincare. These are gifts that I have chosen myself. These companies contacted me through my shop and gave me access to choosing my gifts from them. I'll unbox them soon, and I have already started testing them out. I can reveal that one is from Remedy. It's a dermatologist-owned company, and the owner has also formulated all the products. I'm sure some of you are following him here on YouTube, Dr. Munib Shah, either on Doctorly or Derm Doctor. I'm so excited to try out his products. Have you tried them? If so, please share your experience below. We would like to see how your experience has been with them. For those of you who are still watching, my plans from, let's say, from October is to have skincare once a week, makeup once a week, and then once a week maybe some news. I'm thinking about maybe doing some makeup and skincare news. And that's also where we can chat a little bit more and get to know each other better. For the rest of August and for September, I will definitely try to post at least one video a week. And then from October, that is my goal, to get up to 3 videos a week. So that's so exciting. I'm looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to getting to know you and you. So see you in the next one.